What's going on, guys? It is your boy Tim Aslan here with another crypto update. Today, we're going to be looking just at Bitcoin. I wanted to make this quick video, less than 5 minutes, diving into the TA on where the potential reversal zones are. So, today is Labor Day, holiday. Stock market was closed for the majority of the day. So, tomorrow will be very important. And this week will be very important because this could be the week that Bitcoin bottoms. So let's look exactly what levels we're thinking. If you haven't seen my previous YouTube video, I'll discuss those same levels. And I already posted this kind of general area on Twitter. So let's continue with the analysis and explain why I think these two levels are where Bitcoin will reverse from. So the first one is the current purple box that we're in right now. And as you can see, it's been holding up very well, and we are significantly above that level for now. Um, we had this liquidity sweep just down below it earlier this morning, and then we just had this crazy candle right here. I was thinking it would take out the low one more time, but instead it shot back up and looks pretty nice for now, but we'll see once the stock market opens tomorrow. Now, I have another chart of Bitcoin right here, which shows another reason why this is such a strong level. This is actually the wick of the previous all-time high, and you can see this level has been acting as a resistance zone for a long time in this area, and then we used it as support right here. So this area is a very, very strong zone, and it's holding up quite well, considering that we haven't had a candle close below it yet. So as long as this level holds, we don't have to look at the lower level yet, but I will show you that lower level in a second here. The other reason this area is very strong is because it's the golden pocket of this move right here from this low to our all-time high. You can see that that pocket has been respected perfectly with no daily candle closes inside of it. Now the next level below that, right here, the second purple level, has a few confluences. The main two are, if you take the volume from our low here at 93K all the way to the top, this area has the highest volume on the Binance perpetual chart, and that is marked by our point of control right here. And then the second point of interest is we have this 786 fib, which is a common reversal zone. It's also a common harmonic pattern reversal zone as well. And so this general area looks very strong for that, not to mention that it will be a liquidity sweep of this area right here. And then on our Binance spot chart, you can actually see that if you pull the volume all the way from our 74K low, you can see that not only is it a high volume area, but it's the value area low, which is this white line here, which is the bottom of the highest 2/3 of volume here. So basically in this entire range, you can see all the volume. This is the highest volume area. And so this is the bottom of that range in terms of volume. So this tends to be a strong support zone right here, and that matches almost perfectly with the 786 down there. So if we do end up bouncing around and coming down, that is the area that I want to long, all the way from 105,000 down to invalidation would be around 102,000. So this entire area here, I would look for longs, and I would target at minimum the monthly open, which, make sure you guys are marking that on your chart, is around 108,000. So at minimum, we would head there. And then this monthly open is now the previous monthly open. So that's for August. That tends to be an area that always gets retested. So if we are bearish, I do think we would, move from down here up there at the minimum, or this could be the bottom in already, guys. I mean, this purple box is holding up extremely well. No reason to believe that we're going this low until it breaks down. So those are the two levels on Bitcoin. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more. And I'll see you all in the next video.